duit YouTube. Comes the thought. I'm just coming back from the local supermarket. I had to pick up a few bits and pieces because I'm going to bake. Oh, I've been in such a funk lately. I don't know what it is. I just haven't been in a great mood. But yesterday I cleaned and sealed the shower. It's not great. It's not going to win any prizes for beauty or anything. But, you know, it works. I tentatively got in and turned it on. It's like, okay, this is good. It's draining, it's sealed, it's fine, it's good. So fingers crossed anyway, it'll be okay. So yes, baking. I'm going to make some brownies. I usually get like the ready mix, but I said fuck chocolate. I have chocolate at home. It's not quite, probably not the amount specified in the recipe, but I have chocolate. Anyway, yes, baking, barbecue. Going to a barbecue today with all the SpotsVStripes crew and some of the Young Community Leaders Programme crew that I will be joining in September. And it's looking to be a nice day. It's actually kind of cleared up. The sun is out. It was bucketing rain this morning, and the organiser put up a post saying, okay, look, it's going ahead, we'll just move it indoors and it's now a dinner party instead of a barbecue because we can't go outside and have the barbecue. So I was just kind of like, yeah, okay, fine, no problem. I was going to put up a whole post on Facebook about, we do this sort of thing all the time. We're always out at events, and if it rains it doesn't stop us. So why should this be any different? But then there's kind of a saying, there's no bad weather, there's only bad clothing. But not everybody has their own set of waterproofs. I do. But yeah, so that's that. Hopefully, I'm kind of feeling better now. The weather's getting better, I'm feeling better, so I'm looking forward to a good day. I was supposed to go kayaking yesterday. The sun was so warm yesterday, and I was supposed to go kayaking, but I changed my mind last minute because I had to do stuff at home. I had to look after the cat, and then I was like, oh fuck this, I might as well make it a productive day. Pardon my language. I might as well make it a productive day. So I got in and sealed the shower. So we'll see what happens. We'll go next time. I'm climbing next Saturday, I think. Wait, am I? Or does that start the weekend after? I know I'm going surfing next weekend. This weekend. Yes, this weekend. Yeah, I'm going surfing this weekend. I'm climbing the weekend after that. That's what it is. So, you know, be fun. I want to get a new wetsuit as well. So I just thought I'd make this little update. I might try and get some footage at the barbecue. Well, barbecue/dinner party. We'll see what the weather's like in another hour or two. Be there for 6 o'clock. It's now 20 to 4. Have enough time to get the bacon done, and I might, just in case, depending on how it goes, I plan on it being a nice recipe and it'll come out nicely, but just in case, I might run down to the shops and get some Petty Crocker. Just in case. Shh. So, that's that. I'm home. I'm not going to film the baking because my kitchen is a mess, but maybe I'll clean the kitchen before I do it. It's probably a nice idea, considering it has to be done, and it's easier to work in a clean space. And clean as you go. Magpies, I salute you. I'm not superstitious, but I am kind of. Okay. Gurmagat YouTube, agus Slán go fóill. Dígad Dríis, conas the thought. I just finished cleaning up. Thankfully, everything's all nice and tidy except for that bit. But the rain is back. And it's coming down with a fucking vengeance. Oh my god. Well, at least we're eating indoors this time. I just checked my brownie. It's been in for what? Jeez, nearly about 40 minutes or so. I put too much mix in the tin. I was putting it in going, yeah, this is going to be too much. It's not going to set, it's not going to cook. and I should have listened to myself. The middle of it, the middle top of it is kind of all wiggly and jiggly and liquidy and all the other itties that aren't very good when it comes to baking, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes or so before I have to go out and take it out and see if it sets a little bit as it cools. If not, I just won't take it. But I'm kind of annoyed with myself. Although I don't usually do recipes, I just kind of get the instant stuff, put it in the thing, water, oil, egg, pinch of salt, whack it in the oven, half an hour later it's done. No problems. But yeah, this time didn't really work. Oh well, what can you do? So I'm gonna go get changed, root out my waterproofs, maybe my hiking boots, and venture out into the breach, once more into the breach. Anyway, Curve Malgut, agus Slán go fóill. Ta-da! It's a little bit burnt because it had to be left in so long, but it's cooked. Now, Jamie said on his recipe that a brownie isn't like a cake, and when you skewer the middle of it, I fucking stabbed it by the looks of things, but when you skewer the middle of it, it shouldn't come out completely clean. Whereas if you're doing sponge cake, when you skewer the middle, it should come out completely clean. That's when you know the mix is cooked. So, thanks be to God, it is settled. It's cooked, and we'll see what it's like when I get it over there. It should be nice and cool by then. I can take it out of the tray and leave it to rest. We'll eat, we'll drink, we'll have some fun, we'll have dessert. Trying to think, do I need ice cream? Maybe I'll bring ice cream. I have ice cream I could use. Yeah, alright. Curve Malgut. I have to go and get changed now. The rain has thankfully eased in the last 10 minutes, so maybe I won't need the waterproofs. We'll see. But for the moment, I'm just going to lick my spatula, because that's every chef's God-given right. Okay? Don't argue with me. Okay. Curve Malgut, agus Slán go fóill.
Ali, just drinking. Hey, Ali, she got the last king. Ali, it was Dara's room. And Pearl's been. Now turn, motherfucker! She'll probably get Ali, if you feel the urge, yes, go out the front garden, please.
On your own. Yay!
Leela, which card do you want? This?
Duit YouTube. You know what? I'm just home. It's a great night. Really enjoyed it. Can't say much more because it's very early in the morning, so I'm going to go to bed. I'll get this video edited and uploaded tomorrow. Slán go fóill, agus iarrthá.